Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right yet your body seems to be working against you? Maybe your blood sugar numbers refuse to stabilize? Or that stubborn belly fat just won't budge no matter how hard you try? For millions, this isn't a minor frustration, it's a daily battle. It can feel overwhelming and isolating. Often these signals mean your internal systems need a different kind of support. The good news? Nature has powerful tools hiding in plain sight. Common leaves can gently support blood sugar, heart health, and metabolism. Modern research increasingly supports these simple remedies. In this guide we'll explore a team of leaves and how each works inside your body. Think of them as tiny helpers, each with a special skill. Some soothe inflammation, others improve insulin sensitivity or clear arteries. The best part, you can start small, a cup of tea or a sprinkle on a salad. Small, consistent actions build a powerful cumulative effect over time. Let's begin our journey, starting with peppermint and sage. Leaf 15, peppermint. Its refreshing aroma is familiar, but its benefits go deeper. Peppermint supports digestion and stimulates enzymes that help break down fats. Better digestion means fewer fats stored as visceral belly fat. It can also improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells use glucose more effectively. A simple cup of peppermint tea can be both comforting and supportive. Leaf 14, sage. Sage contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds. That calming effect helps restore insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar. Sage boosts bile production, improving fat digestion and reducing visceral fat. It can influence appetite hormones so you feel satisfied with less. Combined with peppermint, these herbs support heart health, lower LDL, and raise HDL. Add sage to meals or enjoy it as tea, an easy daily habit. Try 1-2 teaspoons fresh or 1/2 teaspoon dried daily with food. Small steps. Big cumulative change. Next, holy basil and oregano. Leaf 13, holy basil, also called tulsi. An adaptogen that helps the body adapt to stress and lower cortisol. Lower cortisol makes your body less prone to belly fat storage. Holy basil is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect arteries. It improves glucose handling, steadier energy, fewer crashes. It helps lower LDL and supports vascular health. Leaf 12, oregano. It's rich in carvacrol and other antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. By lowering oxidative stress, oregano supports insulin function. It protects arteries from plaque and helps lower LDL. A sprinkle on your salad or soup adds anti-inflammatory power, effortless ways to protect your cells and support metabolism. Next, parsley, dandelion, and rosemary. 3 complementary defenders. Each leaf brings unique strengths. Let's look at how they work together. Parsley, often dismissed as a garnish but full of benefits. It acts as a gentle diuretic to flush excess sodium and reduce bloating. Rich in vitamins A, C, K, and potassium. It supports circulation and metabolism. Parsley's bioactive compounds help improve insulin sensitivity. That means your cells can absorb glucose more efficiently for steady energy. Stable glucose equals better energy and improved daily function. Dandelion, a humble weed with strong liver-supporting actions. It helps cleanse the liver, improving fat metabolism and preventing accumulation. Better liver function often translates to reduced belly fat over time. Rosemary, aromatic and rich in antioxidants. It fights oxidative stress that damages insulin function and arteries. Rosemary supports circulation and can help lower LDL cholesterol. Combine parsley, dandelion, and rosemary for liver cleansing, detox, and inflammation control. A post-meal herbal infusion can be a gentle daily habit. Next, we'll cover avocado and mango leaves. Deeper healing for liver and metabolism. Leaf 5, avocado leaf, packed with flavonoids and phenols that calm inflammation. That reduces liver fat and improves insulin signaling. Improved insulin sensitivity means steadier blood sugar readings. They may also lower LDL, raise HDL, reduce fluid retention and blood pressure. Sipping avocado leaf tea can be a steady, gentle support. Leaf 4, mango leaf, rich in mangiferin and antioxidants. Mangiferin targets metabolic pathways and supports insulin use. Mango leaves activate enzymes that help burn stored fat for energy. A morning cup of mango leaf tea is a simple ritual to support metabolism. Over time, this supports weight loss and steadier energy. Now to some kitchen staples, bay leaf and mulberry. Leaf 3, bay leaf, a centuries-old kitchen staple. Simmer a bay leaf in your soup. It releases polyphenols that improve insulin function. That leads to smoother glucose curves and less organ stress over time. Leaf 2, mulberry leaf, used in Eastern medicine for blood sugar control. It contains DNJ, which slows carbohydrate absorption in the gut. That produces a gentler, gradual blood sugar rise after meals. Mulberry can be enjoyed as tea or in supplement form for convenience. Together, these leaves work on liver, digestion, metabolism, and sugar absorption. Small, consistent choices are the seeds of transformation. Next, the crown jewel, olive leaf. Leaf 1, the olive leaf, the crown jewel of this list. For millennia, Mediterranean cultures revered the olive tree and its healing leaves. Its power comes from oleuropein, a potent compound acting on blood sugar, heart, and fat. Olive leaf improves insulin response, shuttling glucose into cells for steady energy. The result? Fewer dangerous sugar spikes and more stable energy. It also activates thermogenesis, turning up internal fat burning. Olive leaf lowers LDL and prevents oxidation that sticks to artery walls. It raises HDL, clears arteries, and improves blood flow. Its antioxidant effects protect liver and kidneys from silent damage. Take olive leaf as an extract capsule, or steep it as tea. Practical options for daily use. Combine olive leaf with other herbs for a comprehensive natural shield. Peppermint, mulberry, olive leaf. Each plays a role in restoring balance. Start small. A cup of tea, a sprinkle of herbs, or a simple supplement. Small, consistent choices are the seeds of transformation. Which leaves have you tried? Share your story in the comments. It could inspire someone. This information is for educational purposes only. Consult a qualified healthcare provider before trying new remedies.